Hello everyone, welcome to Talk with Hands where we learn ASL together. In today's video, we're going to learn essential ASL phrases that we use in our everyday conversations. These phrases will help you communicate more effectively in every situation. Remember, keep signing with me when watching this video and keep practicing so you get better in your ASL skills. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello. Hello. Just have your palm and you're waving. This should be easy, right? You as well see some people do hello. That too is good. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. The next word is good morning. Good is signed like this. Good. Good. Have your non-dominant hand palm like this, the palm facing upward, and you take your dominant hand flat like this. From your chin, you put it on top of the non-dominant hand. Good. Good morning. 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 Good morning. You do good. So still keep your non-dominant hand like this. You take your dominant hand under your non-dominant hand and you bring it to the top. Your non-dominant hand stays inside the crack of your elbow here. Like this. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You have your non-dominant hand flat, the back facing upward, and you take your dominant hand and put on top of the non-dominant hand like this. Afternoon. Afternoon. You as well say afternoon like this. Afternoon. 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 Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good night. 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 Have your non-dominant hand flat like this. Take your dominant hand and you put it inside the non-dominant hand like this. Night. This shows the sun is down. Night. Good night. Oh, good night. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. You as well see some people do bye like the normal way we do bye. 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 See, it's similar with hello, but it depends on the context, right? So you say hello or hello. Hello. Bye. Bye. If you practice with me to this point, well done. Happy yourself. That's good. Now we're going to learn basic questions to start off conversations. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? So this is how you have your two hands together like this, and you do this. So the dominant hand, you do like a twist like this. How? How? Remember in the WH question, like how, you put your eyebrow down. It's like you're curious for an answer, right? So how? How? How are you? In ASL, you don't sign R or is. So you just say how and you. How are you? Your name what? Your name what? Your name what? So this is your. Have your palm flat facing the person. Your. This is mine. Mine. This is your. This is mine. And this is name. Have your two hands in a U shape like this. And you tap them on each other like this. Name. Name. Your name. Your name. And this is what. So have your hand like this and you do this motion. Up, down, up, down. What? 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 Remember to have your eyebrows down. What? Your name. What? Comment down below your name. To respond to the question, what's your name in ASL, you say my name and you spell your name. My name is, you spell your name. How old are you? Have your hand like this, slightly open, and you do this like you're squeezing from your chin. You do this, and you do it twice. In this question, you don't really have to say how old are you. You can say how old are you? How old are you? Or you say how old are you? When you're asking this, you have your eyebrows down. That shows you're asking the question. How old are you? How old are you? This is different from saying you old. You see the difference? This is how old are you? This is you old. How old are you? You old. I hope you've seen the difference. So here we're asking, how old are you? How old are you? Or this is you, this is me, or I. To respond to the question, how old are you? You say, I'm 5 years old. The next question we're going to ask is, where are you from? You from where? You from where? You from where? And this is from. Index finger out like this. Take your dominant hand index finger and you pull from the non-dominant index finger like this. From. From. As you pull in, you bending the hand like the X sign like this. From. 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 And this is where. Where. Have your index finger, you just move it like this. Where? Where? You from where? And you respond as I'm from, and you say where you're from. Nice to meet you. So this is nice. You have your two hands like this, join them together, and you slide the dominant hand on the non-dominant hand like this. Nice. This is meet. So you have your both hands like in the D sign, having your index finger out, and have one in front of the other one like this. Like this. Take your dominant hand and you move it to the non-dominant hand like this. Meet. 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 This is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now we're going to proceed to learning some ASL courtesies. Please. 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 Have your dominant hand flat like this. Put it on your chest and you rub it or you rotate it in a clockwise motion. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You take your dominant hand flat like this, put it on your chin, and you bring it out. Thank you. Welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Have your dominant hand like this, slightly bent, and you bring it towards your chest. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sorry. 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 Put your hand in the fist like this, like S, and you put it to your chest and you rotate it like the way you do please. You rotate it on your chest. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Have your non-dominant palm flat like this, facing upward. Take your dominant hand, slightly bend like this. Put it at the center of your non-dominant palm, and you do this from the palm to the fingers like this. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You don't really necessarily have to sign me. You can just say, excuse me. It's yes. 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 Have your hand like this in the fist position and you bring it down like this. Yes. You can nod your head the same time you're doing yes. Yes. You cannot do no and you're signing yes. You can't do that. You can do yes. 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 No. 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 Have your thumb and your two fingers like this. You join them like this, like N, O, but you do this. No. 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 Yes. No. So in this part, we're going to bring all the words together and put them in practice. Remember, keep practicing. That way you get better at your ASL skills. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you all in my next ASL lesson. Bye.